Hey, welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal, and today in this video we are going to continue learning about the tools available in the Adobe Illustrator. Before I start, I kindly request you to please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications. In the previous tutorial, you have learned about the tools available. If you haven't watched the previous tutorial yet, you will find the link in the description below. So, let's start. Now, the next tool you are going to learn is the Artboard tool. Its shortcut is Shift O. When you will select the Artboard tool, then here you will see the name of your artboard, which is Artboard 1. Here you can see the controls on the edges. So just click, hold and drag to transform it. You can change its location. Just click, hold in the center and drag. Like this. Now just double click on the Artboard tool to open its dialog box. So here, first option is the name. Your artboard name is Artboard 1. You can change the name of your artboard. Here, write the name you want to give to your artboard. I am giving the name My First Artboard and then click OK. So now here you can see the name of your artboard has been changed. Let's come back to the dialog box. Now here, next option is the preset. You can change the preset like A4 and click OK, or A3. So like this, you can choose the preset accordingly. If you want to set the height and width of the artboard in a precise way, you can set from here. Now, next comes the orientation. You can change the portrait mode or the landscape mode. Like this. You can tick this option for constraint proportions. If you want the center mark in the artboard, you can check this option. Like this. You will be able to see the center mark of your artboard. If you want the crosshairs in the artboard, check this option. Like this. If you want to see the video safe areas, check this one and click OK. Like this. So you can set the options accordingly. Now, if you want to create another artboard, come out of this artboard and then click, hold and drag. Like this, you can create many artboards. Now, if you want to change the settings of this another artboard, first select this artboard, then double click on the tool. And you can change the settings accordingly. So this is how you can use this tool. Now the next tool is the slice tool. Its shortcut is Shift K. Slice tool helps to slice any part of the image. For example, I have taken this image here and I want these parts separately. So I will use the slice tool to slice these parts. Just select the image, then select the slice tool. Just click and drag over the part you want to slice. Like this. So this part has been sliced now. Now, for example, I also want these parts separately. So I am going to slice these parts also. like this, like this. So now I have sliced the parts I want separately. Now just go to the file here and select export, and here select save for web. Now click save and save the file wherever you want. I will give a name to my file and save. Now I am going to open that folder where I have saved the sliced images. So these are the images that I have sliced. So like this, slice tool works. Now the next tool is the hand tool. Its shortcut is H. It is a very simple tool. Hand tool is used to move your artboard. Just select the tool and you will see the icon of the hand. Now just click, hold and drag. Simple, isn't it? This is how you can change the location of the artboard. One more way to move your artboard is, for example, if any other tool is active, you can also press the space bar and hold the space bar and also hold your mouse and drag. Or you can simply select this hand tool and click, hold and drag. So this is how you can use this tool. Now the next tool is the zoom tool. Its shortcut is Z. As the name suggests, zoom tool is used to zoom in and out. For example, I want to zoom in to this little black circle. And to do it, first select the zoom tool or you can press the letter Z on your keyboard. I encourage you to use the keyboard shortcuts. It will speed up your work. Now, with the zoom tool selected, simply click on the black circle as many times as you wish. Like this. If you want to zoom out, press and hold the Alt key and then click your mouse. You will notice the tool icon now shows the minus sign. Another way to use the zoom tool, and probably the fastest way, is to drag outwards to enlarge. Simply click, hold and drag outwards. And here is your zoomed image. Now let's come to the zoom out. To zoom out, click, hold and drag inwards. Like this. Another way to zoom in and zoom out is right click on the artboard and click here zoom in like this. And if you want to zoom out, then again right click and click zoom out. So this is how you can use the zoom tool. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.